Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start selling on Etsy, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start selling on Etsy, first, create an Etsy account. Visit www.etsy.com and click on sign in or register if you don't have an account. Fill in your email address, choose a username, and create a password. Next, set up your shop by clicking on Sell on Etsy at the top of the home page. Choose your shop preferences, including language, country, and currency. Now, pick a unique name for your shop that reflects your brand. Once your shop name is chosen, you can start adding listings. Click on Add a listing to create your first product entry. Upload clear and attractive photos of your item that showcase it from different angles. Write a detailed description of your product, including size, materials, and care instructions. Set your price based on research of similar items on Etsy. Next, choose the quantity available for sale and the SKU if you have one. Now, select shipping options to determine costs and methods. You can offer free shipping, which can attract more buyers. After entering all the listing details, click Publish to make the item live on your store. Next, optimize your listing with relevant keywords and tags that potential buyers might use. Consider pricing strategies and promotional offers to attract customers. You should also promote your shop on social media platforms to increase visibility. Once your shop is live, monitor your sales and customer feedback regularly. Lastly, continuously refresh your shop with new listings and updates to keep your audience engaged. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.